Smoked jalapeno bacon jam burgers. Y'all ready? Let's go. First, we're gonna take in our Wagyu burger patties, coating this with pepper on the outside. Now adding on our meat church seasoning right on top, on both sides. Smoking this with competition blend at 275 till it reaches 135 degrees, about 30 minutes. Back inside, we're gonna make a jalapeno bacon jam. Taking in 1 pound of black pepper bacon, saute till crispy. Remove, strain, and leave a little bit of oil right on top into the pan. Adding in large onion chopped, shallot chopped, saute to translucent just like so. Very nice. From here, adding in jalapenos, cloves of garlic mince, brown sugar, maple syrup, brewed coffee, and apple cider vinegar. Saute everything just like so, then finishing out with smoked paprika, chili powder, hot sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. We're going to be adding our bacon right back in on top, just like so. Smoking this at 275 degrees for 3 hours with competition blend. Now into our chipotle mayo. We're going to be taking mayonnaise, lime juice, and chipotle sauce. Whisk this till it's nice and combined, and adding in smoked paprika and cumin to finish. Very nice. Now to saute our burgers, we're going to be searing this with unsalted butter, just like so. Basting this once it's nice and ready. Setting this aside. Adding in our smoked Gouda right on top till it's nice and melted. And toasting our buns. Parmesan truffle fries. We're going to be taking our wonderful frozen fries from the store, then adding in truffle oil, a little bit of parsley, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Playtime! We're going to be serving this tonight with Olima Sonoma Cabernet, richly spiced aromatic profiles offering layers of black pepper, cassis. Very nice. On the palate, full body tannins are balanced by a vibrant acidity, delivering bold flavors of blackberry. The wine finished with depth and elegance and a polished texture. And there we have it. An amazing, wonderful, fantastic. And there we have it, our amazing smoked jalapeno bacon jam burger. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and I hope you have a good day now. You hear? Bye-bye.